So the whale tail is not made out of plastic. Many people think it is. It's actually made out of nylon, so that it's virtually indestructible. Okay, so even in cold weather, sub-zero temperatures, it won't crack, won't break. You can drive your van, your truck right over this. The other thing that's nice about the nylon is that you can see I've used this one for probably about a year now, and you'll be able to clean this all up. So if I was using it to mix mortars and I didn't have a second one around to mix grouts, sometimes if it's caked on there and you try to put it on a bucket to mix grout, some of it will flake off and get into your grout if you had a white grout or whatever. So you can clean this. Mostly you can use like a scrubber, scrub it off. And this is not just a regular kind of run-of-the-mill mortar. There's all different kinds of mortar on here. There's the mortars that have lots of polymers in them. There's some of the super flexible mortars. It really doesn't matter. And then if it really gets tough, you can just take a knife or something and scrape it off. So the idea is that you can get this right to the original shape it was in. And this stuff's been on, some of this stuff for about a year on here. Well, good. So if you ever want to, like if I had to go mix some white grout or something like that, I could use this. Yeah. Thanks for watching.